Now we go to making pages for a WordPress site. To do that, on your dashboard, click on the Pages link. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of the pages that you have on your website. Well, as of right now, I only have one page on my site and it's titled Sample Page. We can go ahead and create a new one. Click on the Add New link or button right here. Now, as you can see, the interface for creating a page is very similar to creating a post. You have the same box for our title right here, same box for content, add media, the formatting options, the publish meta box. Let's try and create a page right now. Please remember that pages are intended for static information or information that doesn't change much for a long period of time. For example, contact information or information about you, among other things. So let's go ahead, make this About Me page. For the sake of having an example, let's just pretend that this content right here is a paragraph, alright? Okay, there you have it. Now, if you have noticed, one thing that is different with the interface of the page as opposed to the interface for creating posts is this one, the page attributes meta box. Please note that pages can be nested together, they can have a hierarchy. So just like categories, which can be divided into subcategories and such, you can also do the same to pages. Like right now, you can assign a parent page to the About Me page. You can assign sample page right here. Or if you don't want to, you can just leave it as no parent. You can choose a template for your page. There are 3 options right here. But as you install themes in the future, you'll have more options on this one. Order. By default, pages are arranged alphabetically, but you can change that by entering the number of the pages. So, for example, if I want this to be the first page to be shown or to be listed, I'll put in number 1 and then hit on the Save Draft right here. Save the changes. If you want to go ahead and publish it, you can do so as well by clicking on Publish. Or if you want to preview it first, you can go ahead and do so by clicking on the preview button. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.